Okay, so now you hold your hands like that, front side, front side. Now slowly bring both legs into this asana, like that. See, try to stand this way. Don't sleep. Try it out. Without trying, it won't come. So when you are feeling weak and low in confidence, your energy levels are low, this is the Shakti. Okay? Take a deep breath with the Omkara in this. Om. Take a deep breath. Try to do the Omkara. And slowly lift your hands up. Take a deep breath. Slowly to build this balance. Build this balance. Okay? Hold this way and take your legs straight like that. Okay? And then other side. Stretch. దూరంగా పెట్టుకొని అరిచేది పూర్తిగా అంచు. Okay, Simham, there are two ways of lying postures. Lying ఇలా కూర్చుంటుంది, sitting like that, right? And sometimes you see lying pose like that. But this is a lying pose. This is to improve memory and confidence. Okay. Bring your chest forward. Chest forward. Look up. Look onto the ceiling, sky. Completely open your tongue. Down. Bring up. So throat infections and throat problems you can cure with this, and at the same time it improves the strength in your legs and hands, and it is very good for the eyes, and especially people who are with the cognitive problem. Some people have Alzheimer's, some people have some memory problems. So for them it is daily, it is a must. Whoever has some brain little bit problems, the grey matter problems, etc. So those things, like sometimes they go unconscious, like absent mind. So that is because the mind is getting switching off. So that is why to bring the activeness again. So this is very important. So that way some people after some time, when this problem grows, the cognition also goes. They cannot remember who are you, they will ask. Some people. That becomes a slowly as an Alzheimer's and kind of a diseases. So and sometimes they paralyze because the signal is lost for the body. So then they paralyze. They can't move. They can't move, they can't walk also. That is why, so the people are getting these kind of problems these days. So many problems with the nervous system. These are all nervous system problems. So this can be addressed through these kind of asanas. So through tongue, bringing out and staying there for some time. So you see the blood circulation difference in the brain system. It's very good, important. So another asana we do for the brain. Okay. Ardha Shirshasana. Stay there with a normal breathing. Make your trunk straight. Two days you can practice Ardha Shirshasana. Then later on you can practice a complete Shirshasana. Lift one leg up and second leg up, slowly practice a little bit. Once you get the balance, you can slowly lift your both legs and lift up. Here at least 1 minute in the Ardha Shirshasana. The Shirshasana, Shirshasana.